Crocheting really helps me unwind and relax at the end of a busy day. I use it to cope with anxiety. The repetition and counting help me to get my mind off of racing, negative, intrusive thoughts. Provides a healthy distraction from trauma, grief, chronic pain, and conditions like ADHD. Crochet requires concentration, which sharpens attention and memory, strengthening neural pathways. It's a form of active meditation, keeping the mind focused and present, offering an escape from intrusive thoughts. The rhythmic motions trigger the body's relaxation response, slowing heart rate and increasing croissants. Crochet really helps with stress. The repetitive motions help you relax and unwind. Crochet helps improve concentration, memory, and problem-solving skills. Choosing colors and designs lets you express your creativity, turn ideas into something beautiful. Crochet strengthens hand coordination, which is beneficial as we age or spend lots of time on screens. Handmade items also bring meaning when shared with others. Whether it's a blanket, toy, or gift, crochet builds confidence and joy. If you want to learn how to crochet, check out beginner tutorials and instructions for beginners. Want to learn how to crochet? You absolutely can. Start with just 2 things, a hook and some yarn.
Begin by learning a simple chain stitch. That's your foundation. Next, practice one basic stitch like single or double crochet. Don't rush. Mistakes are part of learning, so enjoy the process. Follow along with videos, patterns, or step-by-step tutorials. And remember, every expert crocheter started with one stitch. Grab your yarn and hook, and start today. For more information on learning how to crochet, check out some of the links in the description below for books, tutorials, and ways to help get started. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more crafts and creative ideas.